RJ, while we're kind of talking about this, what role does storage play in all of this, and how does Portworx fit into it?
Yeah, so if you think about it, it's been a super exciting journey for Pure working with Fiserv on the storage side.
Yeah.
And as I mentioned earlier on, it kind of gives you a platform that's reliable, highly available, performant, and at the same time, very sustainable, low in power, low in space, rack space. But as we've kind of built this journey, we've also worked very closely with John and team on the Kubernetes side, and recognizing that they are also on a journey, which is starting with ARO. They're going to take it on-prem. They're looking at other Kubernetes offers, and we are looking to work closely with them to give them the kind of outcomes and the flexibility to be able to make that shift and movement without having to do a lot of re-engineering work. Right, kind of give that one common software-defined storage layer, and that's really what we are excited about now. What our engineering team is really excited about working with the Fiserv team on.
Definitely, John. What are the impacts of the business?
So the impacts of the business are clearly reliable software deployments when we're deploying more features. So this allows developers to get towards multiple deployments, perhaps per month, per week. I think we're doing a lot yet of multiple pushes per day, but it is enabling that sort of thing in a consistent fashion. So, in the fintech business, everyone is demanding new products and they want them yesterday. And containerized application delivery is one of the key ways to deliver that.
That sounds really great. So that's today, right? And so I'll ask you, Lito, when we look at what comes next, like when you look at the rest of 2025, right, and beyond, what do you think? We talked about AI just early on briefly. I have to ask it because it's part of the, if I didn't know, we'd be missing it. But also, what about modernized virtualization?
But before I answer that question, John was saying earlier about the impact on the business.
Yeah.
The architecture that we've adopted also gives us the flexibility to scale in and scale out our resources. That gives the business users the confidence that, okay, if they need more resources, they'll get it. If they don't use it, it's there for them to use it, but then if they don't need it, they can take it out. So that's one of the things that kind of gives us that advantage using the containerization architecture that we adopted. Okay, going forward, I think John will be in a better position to do that, but in terms of AI, so from what we've learned from all the sessions here, we have a lot to learn with AI. And I think it gives us more, incentive to learn it and adopt it.